Hey guys, it's time to do the unboxing of the 200-pound abrasive blast pot from Eastwood. Okay guys, we are doing the unboxing of the Eastwood 200-pound capacity abrasive pot blaster tonight. So let's get at it. Oh, I don't need to cut it because I already cut it. So what we have inside. Oh, she is beautiful. Oh, sorry. I've been dealing with that other one for so freaking long. Okay. So what we have, not quite sure yet. Okay, for wheels, regulator. Ooh, everything's already 1/2 inch. That's awesome. Tape we don't use because that's garbage. Tips, good. Okay. Perfect. So we got dead man end along with the hose. Okay. I have another one of those around somewhere too already. Actually, you can just set that there. Okay. We know what that is. So we got this, the leg, and this will be what goes from the top of it out. Oh, that's kind of cool. Usually they're doubled, and it's a double. So with a 200 pot, it's not just one arm on each side. It's actually a whole piece, that's pretty cool. Pretty badass. Okay. It's like Christmas. Okay, regulator, please don't be cheap. Okay. Not bad, not bad. All 2-inch again, or 1/2 inch. I keep saying 2-inch for some reason. 1/2 inch again. That don't look 1/2 inch. Okay, that's not 1/2 inch because the gauge fits there. Okay, that's cool. Okay, look at that opening here. That's some freaking CFM air, let me tell you. Okay. Up. For the wheels. Holy crap, moly. Oh. Whew. Tires. Also, funnel, which can't hurt to have an extra funnel. Directions and a mask. I'm sorry, I would rather go without a mask completely and wear purple safety glasses than wear that. Don't worry, I won't wear your purple safety glasses. Okay, guys, look at this bad boy. That's a freaking blaster. Okay, so everything on here is already 1/2 inch. So if you got something like this, which that whole thing I might be taking out anyways and replacing. with this upgrade kit. This is the upgrade kit I got for it. Everything's down in the description right here. And when we do the upgrade, we'll do it all in detail, what goes where and everything. But basically, it's going to be doing, yeah, it's about the same. It's going to go there. And this whole thing is going to come out. So, okay guys, that's the unboxing. The next time you see this, it will be fully together. And we will be doing the upgrading on it.